All right, boys and girls, today you're going to begin working on your fauching mask. Now, first thing, the supplies that you'll need to start your mask is one of the brown shopping bags, a ruler, and a pencil. All right, so the first thing you want to go ahead and do is turn the bag over to the back, and you're going to write your name on the upper part right here with your pencil. Please don't forget to do this because you'll want to know which one is yours when we keep working next class. Then you're going to flip the bag over. Now, the top of the bag is the closed part. Trader Joe's should be going vertically through your bag, and the bottom has the opening. So the bottom is facing me at my stomach at the bottom of the table. And I'm going to go ahead and take my ruler. I want to make sure when I am looking at my ruler that I'm going to be measuring with inches, not centimeters. So your ruler has either 12 inches or 30 centimeters, and we want to make sure that we're using the 12-inch side. So the first thing I want to go ahead and do is line my ruler up with the bag, and I want to center it. That means I have the same amount of the ruler on the left side as I have on the right side. And as you can tell, the center of my bag is 6. So the center of 12 inches is 6. Then I'm going to go ahead and make some small marks at each inch interval. So I start at 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And I'm going to keep going all the way down my ruler until I get to 11. Then, after doing my inch marks at the top of my bag, I'm going to move it down to the middle. And again, I want to make sure that my ruler is centered, so the same amount is hanging off on the left as the right. And then I'm going to hold my ruler nice and flat, and again, make marks at each inch interval down my bag. So I'm going to go all the way to 11. All right, once I have a top mark and a middle mark, I'm going to line up my ruler with those marks. So I'm making sure that the marks are lined up right with the edge of my ruler, and then I'm going to hold my ruler nice and steady, and I'm going to draw a line. And then I'm going to move to the next one, draw a line. I'm going to move to the next one, draw a line, and I'm going to keep doing that all the way down my bag. So in total, I will have made 11 lines going all the way down my bag, but I'll have 12 spaces. So when I'm done drawing my lines all the way down, then I'm going to go ahead and double check, make sure I have 12 columns. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. All right, so once I have my 12 spaces going vertical, I need to turn my bag counterclockwise, and I'm going to do the same thing that I just did, except I want to line up this time. Instead of centering my ruler, this is the top of my bag to the left here. I want to line up my first inch mark with the top of the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and measure 1, 2, and I'm going to keep going all the way to 11. And then I'm going to move my ruler down to the middle again, and this time make my inch marks one more time all the way down to 11. All right, then I'm going to repeat what I did on step 1, and I'm going to go ahead and line up my ruler with those marks, and I'm going to draw my horizontal lines for my grid. all the way. So again, the format for our fashing masks is 12 squares by 12 squares, and that's why we are doing all these lines so that we have the template for our fashing masks for next class. All right. And last one. There we go. All right. So now, as you can see, I've got 12 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 by 12 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And my bag is ready to start assembling for next class. If you finish this and still have some time and you've not completed your pixel art digital sketch of your fashing mask, then with the time left over, you can go ahead and finish that up. All right, I can't wait to see how well you create your grid for your fashing mask. So I'll see you next time. Have a great afternoon.